Welcome, dear listeners. Welcome to yet another powerful video. Let's talk about 1 minute powerful technique to change your entire mindset frequency to manifest anything faster. What if I told you that everything that you have been struggling with, every challenge, every setback, every closed door could be transformed in just 1 minute? That's right, you heard me right. Just 1 minute. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. I know it sounds incredible, in fact, too good to be true. But today, I'm going to share something so powerful, yet so simple with you, that it's been transforming lives across the world. And the best part is, it works for everyone, regardless of where you are in your life. So before we dive in, I want you to think about something for a moment. Think about that one thing you've been desperately trying to manifest. Maybe it's better health. Maybe it's your financial abundance or a deep, fulfilling relationship. Now, hold that thought right there. Because what I'm about to share with you is not just another manifestation technique. It's a scientifically proven method. Yes, Dr. Joe Dispenza has used to help thousands of people creating miraculous transformations in their lives. You know what? What I'm about to share with you isn't just another manifestation technique. It's a grounded, real neuroscience. In the groundbreaking research that Dispenza has been conducting for years, and what he's discovered is absolutely fascinating. So, when we combine intense emotion with clear intention, something remarkable happens in our brain. We literally begin to rewire our neural pathways. Think about this for a moment. Every time you have a thought, your brain fires off electrical signals. And every time you feel an emotion, your body releases powerful chemicals. Now, here's what it gets interesting. When you consciously combine these two, when you think and feel with intention, you create what scientists call a coherent brain state. It's like your entire being becomes a powerful broadcasting station, sending out crystal clear signals to the universe. But here's what most people don't understand about manifestation. They think it's about sitting there for hours, desperately visualizing what they want. Well, my friend, that's not how our brain works. Our brain responds most powerfully to short, intense bursts of focused energy. It's like working out. You won't expect a better results from a lazily exercising for 3 hours versus doing an intense focused 20 minutes workout right. This is where the magic of 1 minute comes in. When you concentrate all your mental and emotional energy into just 60 seconds, something profound happens. Your brain doesn't have time to wonder, doesn't have time to doubt, to question. Instead, it enters what neuroscientists call a peak state. A state where manifestation becomes not just possible, but inevitable. You see, your brain can't actually tell the difference between what's happening in you, in your physical reality, and what you're vividly imagining. When you engage in this practice, your brain starts to produce same neurochemicals it would do if your desire had already manifested. You're literally programming neural pathways for success, teaching your brain to expect positive outcomes. And here is something even more incredible. The research shows that when you reach this coherent state, you start affecting the quantum field around you. You're no longer just charging your brain, you're changing the very fabric of reality. It sounds like science fiction, but it is pure science, my friend. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel is sending out electromagnetic signals that interact with the world around you. Now let me walk you through this transformative 1-minute practice in detail, and please don't just listen passively. I want you to really understand each step because every single second is designed with a purpose, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. We're going to start with the first 20 seconds, what I call the sacred breathing. This isn't just regular breathing. This is conscious, intentional breathing that prepares your entire system for transformation. Close your eyes and take deep, powerful breaths. As you inhale, I want you to imagine pure golden light entering your crown of head, filling every cell of your body. Feel it energizing you, awakening you. As you exhale, release everything that's been holding you back, every doubt, every fear, every limiting belief. This breathing pattern does something remarkable. It actually activates your parasympathetic nervous system, what science calls the rest and digest stage. It's in this state the real transformation becomes possible. You're literally shifting your brain waves from beta, your normal busy thinking state, to alpha, the state where manifestation occurs. Now we move into the most powerful part, the next 40 seconds, what I call the quantum moment. This is where everything changes. Instead of just thinking about what you want, you're going to feel it with every fiber of your being. If you're manifesting health, I want you to feel vibrant energy coursing through your veins. Feel your body strong, resilient, full of vitality. If it's being abundance you're seeking, feel the deep sense of security and freedom that comes with it. Feel the joy of being able to help others, the peace of mind that comes with financial security. See, the key here is emotional intensity. Your emotions are the fuel that powers this entire process. Don't just casually think about what you want. Feel it so deeply. Don't just casually think about what you want. Feel it so deeply that as if it has already occurred. Your heart should be swelling with gratitude, your entire being vibrating with joy. This is not pretending. This is creating a new reality in quantum field. Now, let's talk about something crucial. How to make this practice truly effective. Because understanding the technique is one thing in itself, but knowing how to implement it consistently and powerfully is yet another. And this is where most people stumble. Not because the practice doesn't work, but because they're missing some key elements. First, we need to talk about timing. This is 1-minute practice. It is most powerful when done first thing in the morning. And why is that so? Because when you first wake up, your brain is still in a theta state, a high receptive state, where you can more easily program your subconscious mind. It's like having direct access to your brain control panel. Before you check your phone, before you get caught up in the day's demands, take this one sacred minute for yourself consistently. It's absolutely crucial for your self-being. Think about it like this. If you were learning to play a musical instrument, would you practice for 8 hours one day and then not touching it again for the entire month? Of course not. It's the daily consistent practice that creates lasting change. The same principle applies with this practice also. 1 minute practiced with pure intention every single day is more powerful than hours of sporadic effort. But here's something vital that most people don't understand. It's not just about doing the practice, it's about carrying that energy throughout the day. After your 1 minute practice is done, pay attention to the signs the universe sends you. When an opportunity presents itself, no matter how small, please take action. This is the universe responding to your energy, and every synchronicity, every coincidence is feedback that you're on the right track. Trust the process. Every time you practice, you're building momentum, creating stronger ripples in the field of infinite possibilities. Happy manifesting journey, guys. Do let me know in the comments below when your shift in mind brings about the results that you want to see in the real world.